Unboxing my Huawei D14 2024 laptop from Huawei. Let's start. This Huawei D14 2024 laptop includes Microsoft 365 personal, includes adapter, Huawei adapter for Huawei D14, and the plug to the laptop. So let's continue to unbox this Huawei D14 2024 model laptop. So this is what it looks like. Huawei D14 2024 laptop. Still the same from my Huawei D14 2020 model. It's the same keyboards, mouse, and the screen. So let's open it. Still the same Huawei logo when you open it. Nothing inside yet. I haven't set up anything yet. So there's password. I still haven't set it up yet. So it looks like this when it's open. We'll have another review and compare it to my old Huawei D14 2020 model. Actually, this laptop is very light compared to the Huawei D14 2020 model that I have. Again, I'll just have another review with my old Huawei D14 2020 model on my next review. Happy shopping!